There is something special about starting a journey before the world fully wakes up. And for 3 days and 2 nights, 10 explorers chose experience over routine. From Accra, we set off. Destination, Ghana's only settlement built on water. But first, we paused. Right on the shores of Cape Coast, we created a moment, a breakfast stop by the ocean. Hot tea, fresh banana bread, donuts, meat pies, and the locals' favorite, Kosiani Moko, prepared by Bakes by Tea. Because with Ghana is beautiful, every journey is an experience. Along the way, Ghana revealed herself. Bustling roadside markets, students marking their 6th March celebrations, everyday life unfolding in real life. And then the reality we cannot ignore, the visible scars of Galamsey. A reminder that every journey also tells a deeper story.
So this is how dirty we are.
Then we arrived, Tanak Beach Resort, our home for the next 2 nights. And just like that, it was time to unwind. Games, swimming, beach football, laughter filling the air, and coconuts flowing endlessly. And between all that, moments of simply sitting, eating together, sharing stories, sharing food, and simply sharing life. Some mornings the sun rises so beautifully, It reminds you to slow down and just take it all in.
Dama Papa. You don't wake up, Dama Papa. Mwaba coconut tiga.
Then came the highlight, a walk through nature, leading us to Ghana's hidden treasures. In Nzulezu, a village built entirely on stilts. Step into canoes, gliding through the maternity ward, past the jungle area, across the peaceful Amanzule Lake.
About 30% of them are not
Silence, nature, and wonder.
Exchange. So, what my boss told you, I've been here to jungle area. So this is the jungle area. Yeah. So yeah, it's not advisable to put your hand in the water. Anything can happen. Anything can happen.
Here, life is different. A community living on water, stories built on resilience, culture preserved through generations.
Beyin, aleletu no, alolotu, aleletu. Eye dena. Me say ye salmon Italia. It's a bull fruit. It's a Italia na. Ah, okay.
2020. My God.
So, where the coffee?
Beautiful. Ghana is beautiful. Ghana is beautiful.
Back at the resort, cold tail beer refreshed, Acheke served, good food, good people, and good vibes.
Some good time on,
As night fell, the bonfire came alive. Music, dance, and connections. Strangers became friends. Moments became memories. Three days and 2 nights, one unforgettable experience. This wasn't just a trip, it was a story, a connection to Ghana in its purest form. So the question is, when are you joining us? When are you joining a Ghana is Beautiful experience? Book your next adventure with Ghana is Beautiful. Whether it's a private tour, group experiences, or tailored journey, let us show you Ghana. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment. This is Ghana, and Ghana is beautiful.